Hello friends, welcome to Rajavul Education channel. In this video, we are going to see one of the JEE main question from 2023 April. Figure below shows a liquid being pushed out of the tube by a piston having area of cross section 2 cm square. The area of cross section at the outlet is 10 mm square. The piston is pushed at the speed of 4 cm per second. The speed of outgoing fluid is dash centimeter per second. The animation of this experiment is shown here. Here the speed of piston is given, that is 4 centimeter per second. This value we can consider as speed of fluid at the inlet. The question is speed of outgoing fluid. What is the value of speed of outgoing fluid? Cross section area of the inlet is given and the cross section area of the outlet is given. To find out the speed of outgoing fluid, we can use the equation of continuity. That is, equation of continuity says area of cross section at the inlet into velocity of the fluid, that is speed of the fluid at the inlet, is equal to area of cross section at the outlet into speed of the fluid at the outlet. V2 is the question, so we have to rearrange the equation. We get this one. Velocity of the piston is given, that is speed of fluid at the inlet is 4 centimeter per second, area of cross section 2 centimeter square, and area of cross section at the outlet is 10 millimeter square. Comparing these two values, capital A and small a, units are different, so we have to convert this millimeter square as centimeter square, because in the question it is asked in terms of centimeter per second. So dividing this value by 100, we get in centimeter square. So cancelling this 0, we get 1 by 10 centimeter square. Now we have these three values, capital A, V1, A. So substituting these values in this equation, we get 2 into 4 divided by 1 by 10. By doing reciprocal, we get 2 into 4, 8, 8 into 10, we get 80 centimeter per second. This is the speed of outgoing fluid value. I hope you understand this question very well.